everyone, welcome back to All the Neffiness. I'm back to share with you guys another unboxing video, and this time I will be unboxing the December Citrus Twist Kits, which I'm super excited to open because it's got such a big mix of different collections and stuff. So let's take a look. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have quite a few pieces here. First thing that stands out to me is this super cute little tulle strip here, which is super cool to add a little bit of texture to your projects. That's super cool. Then we have some really cute, let me make some space here, corkboard pieces, once again. And these are all different. This says out with the old, in with the new. Oh, what fun. This one says time together, happy campers, nothing beats this, and a good read. So these are pretty cute. Some of them are, you know, December themed, and some of them are more Christmassy themed, so these are super cute. Then we have the Citrus Twist exclusive stamp set, and this one has different phrases and little stars here. So we've got this is my time to, and then craft on, getting my time to, that one's kind of repeated, in my space, creative room, roll me in, fairy dust on, and then it says here, and call me a unicorn. So these are cute. I like the craft. I like that one. Then we have the exclusive enamel or epoxy. They're called epoxy stickers here. And they're super cute. They come in different shapes, and they've also got a few words here. Let me just pull them down a little. A few word phrases: epic stuff, you cheeky monkey, 100% original, daily routine, not a good day, find your fire, choose, and need, want, less, more. These are also exclusive. Then we have the die cut pieces by Fancy Pants Designs, and these are from the Take Note collection. And normally I would show you guys what's in here, but not today. So here's a quick look at everything that is included in there. We've got some frames, some little divider tags, some numbers from 1 to 10, and it looks like it's pretty school themed, with books and what else? The little globe, the A+. But I like the colors. It's got a mix of red, greens, light blues, and yellows. Very nice. Then we have the Happy Thickers here, and these are super cute. They've got a mint foam to the gold, or I'm sorry, on behind the gold thicker. So let me show you guys. You guys see how it's like mint colored? So that's super cute. That makes these letters kind of pop a lot. I'm not too sure if these are for the Carousel collection, but it seems like they might be. And then we have the Carousel collection. I think this is supposed to be spelled Cirque. And you guys have seen this before. I've purchased a couple of these. So these are really fun to have and reuse. So I'm glad that these are in here once again. Then we have our cut apart sheet. And this time it looks like we just have a bunch of labels and a few random word phrase stuff. Then we've got some other ones here that say down and out, up and down, here and there, now and then. And these are really cute. I like the mix of colors. They added some red and yellow. And then we do have our December 2017 sketches, and these are really cute. I can see that lots of them have very many layers here, so I really like these, and there's a total of 5 there. And it says here you can enter your layouts based on these sketches in our weekly Sunday Sketch Challenge blog. And they give $5 gift cards for whoever wins the challenge. And here's the inspiration for the December 2017 Sonoma kit. Oops. Which I love. Very, very nice. Super cute. And on with the paper. So this is always very exciting. And it looks like we've got ourselves some good vibes here. And this is probably the same paper that I got in from my Emma's Preppery unboxing video, which you can also watch on my channel. So we've got the crepe paper Good Vibes So Chill cut apart sheet. And I just love the llama. That is super awesome. And the back has just some really fun stripes. Then we've got the sweater weather paper here, which you guys have also seen before in one of my unboxing, which is the Warm Wishes paper. And I love the wood grain in the back with the red. This is very nice. Then we have, and I don't know why all these papers are upside down, so let me fix them. We have the Take Note by Fancy Pants Designs, and it's just a very bright yellow stripe, almost neon. It's great. And then the back here has some alphas, which is super cute. Then we have the Ellie Studio Family Fun, which I pretty much have all these papers. It's kind of insane. Which I've also unboxed. So this is the Family Fun collection by Ellie Studio, which is a very gorgeous collection, and this had to be one of my favorite papers, especially because of the back. And I ended up using, I think, this paper in one of the layouts I made for Ellie Studio, so I'm glad that it's back in my collection. Then we have this gorgeous paper that I believe is from the so this is from the Stargazer collection by Dear Lizzie, and this paper is called Green Thumb. And these are just a bunch of little planters. Super cute. I like it. These are really cute to fussy cut. And the back is this really cool design here. It reminds me of scarves a little bit. Very nice. And then we have finally one more Take Note by Fancy Pants Design paper. I think this one is called Fancy Free. And it's just a bunch of beautiful little florals. And the back has like this, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to call this pattern. But can you tell it's like white and very soft pink? It's not gingham. Is that the right word for gingham? No, something tooth. I can't remember. Sorry guys, I can't remember. And then finally we just have, as usual, our two white cardstock sheets. And that is it, my friends, for the December Citrus Twist kits. I was really hoping for it to have been a little bit more Christmassy, but I think that it wasn't, because they actually sell their own Christmas kit. Possibly. I'm not quite sure. If you guys know, let me know. But this, you know, it's still a good collection of stuff. This one's kind of a repeat in my stash because I have a lot of the supplies. But here's a look at it for you guys. I hope you guys like it. And if you guys have purchased it, just let me know if you have any videos. I'd love to watch your inspiration as well. So thanks for stopping by, guys, for this quick little unboxing of the December Citrus Twist kit. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!